This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a car radio. Before you begin, gather your essential tools like a plastic trim removal tool and a suitable screwdriver. Safety is paramount, so always disconnect your vehicle's battery to prevent electrical issues. Understanding the general sequence of steps will ensure a smooth and efficient process, helping you complete the task with confidence and ease. Next, you will carefully begin to remove the dash trim panels surrounding the radio. Use a plastic trim removal tool to gently pry around the edges, preventing any scratches or damage to your dashboard. Take your time and work slowly. As you lift the trim, you may find one or two electrical connectors that need to be disconnected before the panel can be fully removed and set aside. With the trim panels out of the way, you will now clearly see the radio unit. Look closely for the 4 retaining screws that hold the radio firmly in its housing. These are typically Torx T20 or standard Phillips head screws. Use the appropriate screwdriver to carefully remove each one. It is a good practice to place all removed screws in a small container so they are not misplaced during the process. Finally, with the screws removed, you can gently pull the radio unit forward from the dashboard. Be mindful of the wiring behind it. You will need to disconnect all the electrical wiring harnesses and the antenna cable. These usually have small clips that need to be pressed. Once everything is disconnected, you can carefully slide the entire radio unit completely out of its slot, completing the removal process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.